Trying to figure out what is DevSecOps? It is the bridge which not only connects the traditional dev operations and QA team, but also fills the gap between the security team. Now, why DevSecOps? If you need to implement and maintain the compliance requirement, if you need to minimize the security bottlenecks and also automate the security checks, if you need peace of mind thinking the application you developed is secure enough, DevSecOps is what you need. Now, according to the Gartner's report, DevOps team will collaborate with information security team in the upcoming future by 2021. If you do some R&D, you will be able to see DevOps or infosec professionals are the ones with hot skill, in demand and also earning decent amount of salary. Here is the salary graph from payscale.com. If this is what you are looking for, do enroll for the course and enrich your skills with both theory and hands-on.